I'm down at the Buckinghamshire College Group Wickham campus to find out more about the electronic and electrical engineering course. I'm in the electronics workshop with the electronic tutor Frank Leonard. Frank, tell us a bit more about the course.
It's really all about understanding the basics of electronic components, working with analog and digital circuits.
How old do you have to be to join the course?
16 to 18 as our usual age, and looking for really keen potential engineers.
I'm with Sean, one of the students on the course, who's going to show me how to do some soldering. So Sean, what do I need to do?
All you need to do is grab some of the solenoid here, connect it to the leg that you want soldered in, connect the solder to the leg you want to attach on, mount the solder around the leg itself, should be held in place directly.
What qualifications do you need to apply for the course?
We're looking for level 4 in GCSEs, including maths, English, and maybe another science would be a benefit.
Sean, you make it look quite easy, but I imagine it's a bit more fiddly than it looks. Is it something that I could do?
Anyone can do it as long as they have steady hands, so if you want to have a go.
So once you do the course, what could you then go on to? What careers could lie ahead?
Numerous careers. Most of our students presently are interested in going into university to further their studies, but there are all sorts of options out there for electromechanical repair, electronic fault diagnosis in companies where they need those sort of skills, communications.
How do you think I got on with my soldering?
You did a very good job. I was a bit rusty when I started off, but you've definitely picked up quicker than I did.
What is it that you really love about this course?
I just love the practical application of the course itself, because it's just amazing how everything just comes together to create something really cool.
How can we find out more about the course?
On the Buckinghamshire College Group website.
So that's the electrical and electronic engineering course here at the Wickham campus of the Buckinghamshire College Group. If you want to find out more about the course, head to the website.